In the contacts area, we did have, and I mean, we still have it there. If you click on the little down arrow here, we have the smart import for single contact. Prior to our to the update, it just had basically a big place where you could put in your information. Now, what you can do is also specify what category do you want to put in, what type, what status, what tags do you want to do. And whenever it does the importing, it'll pre-assign these for you, including which date, important date do you want to use. So by doing this, whenever you're pasting in your content, you can paste it in and you don't have to go back, re-edit things that you would normally edit for an imported lead. It's very similar to an email lead import, but if you're just pasting in the content from a fake name, actually, let me just do this. Fake name generator. I'm going to go to this site called Fake Name Generator. I've got several fake names in there. So it comes up with a contact, totally bogus. I'm going to grab a bunch of information here, copy that, and then I come in here and I just paste it in. Okay. It'll make it a category B, turn it into, let's say we want to make this a lead instead. Let's make it milestone is new, and it'll still put it in as new lead date. So I hit save. AI then kicks in and says, oh, we've got a lead. Let's break it down and let's fill in the fields for us. So it grabs all the fields and then it fills in the information based off of what you specified in those drop downs. Not sure how I can make it any easier for you guys. I'm not sure.
And you also, let's see, you grab the information and then the information, put them on the note, the whole thing, on the note. You follow me? Because sometimes we get leads and they're coming over. Like I'm getting a bunch of leads right now, and then I have to go back and paste it on the notes so I can see what they're requesting for something.
Yeah. So if you will, whenever you're pasting that in, let's go. George Martinez, whatever. If you have special notes or whatever, just specify notes and then type in whatever you want there and it'll get put into the notes section. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, like let's see. Yeah, okay. So you put that on the notes. So the whole thing will be on the notes. If you put it in.
Well, whatever you type in the notes area would go into notes. The other stuff goes into their own, into whatever field they belong in. If it's a field that we don't have, we do ignore it. But if you, one thing you could probably put in there is a, well, as long as you have the word notes in there, it will put it into the notes area. Let me do this, or should anyway. Yeah, right there you go. So there's the notes. I just put in garbage. So
yeah.